Nothing Phone 1 in 2025. Let's start with the design of Nothing Phone 1. Now, Nothing Phone 1 features the construction of aluminum and glass. The frame is made up of aluminum and front and back is glass. Gorilla Glass 5. Now, on the front, Nothing Phone 1 features a 6.5 inches Full HD 120Hz 10-bit OLED display. It is a really good display. Plus, it comes with extra dim slider, and the color accuracy of this display is really good. It is a sharp enough display with decent brightness all across, north or south. It is a really good display for watching movies and TV shows. Now from display and design, moving on to the glyph interface, that is glyph lighting. I mean, it's cool. मैं तो ज़्यादा यूज़ करने नहीं वाला and I don't think it is for me. You need to decide, do you like it or not? I mean, it could be called as a gimmick, it could not be called as a gimmick. Now from glyph interface, moving on to the Nothing OS. Now the day-to-day performance of Nothing OS 3 is really good. It is a really good performing smartphone. App opening is quick, RAM management is good, overall speed is really nice, it is fast and snappy, and it feels like a flagship, sort of a flagship, except the gaming performance. Now this lightweight software of Nothing Phone 1 also helps in good battery life endurance. The battery life on Nothing Phone 1 is good. It is not great, but it is still good. 1 day of normal day-to-day usage with no problem. Now there are few features I don't like on Nothing OS 3. For instance, the brightness slider. I always have to swipe down 2 times to access the brightness slider, and there is no way to change this. That is just so dissatisfying. Second thing I don't like about Nothing OS is dark mode. It is like a grey mode, and this is the same issue I face on Pixel. I really don't like the dark mode on Pixel 2. It's like a grey mode. And third thing I don't like about Nothing OS is customizability. It is nowhere as customizable as One UI of Samsung's. And talking about Samsung, I have made my Note 10 look like nothing version of it. Plus I have installed One UI 6.1 on it. If you are interested in that, you can check that video out. Now moving on to the weakest part of Nothing Phone 1. That is camera. The camera on Nothing Phone 1 is average, super average. The Gcam on Nothing Phone 1 makes the photos slightly better, but nothing to change the verdict on Nothing Phone's camera. It is just average.